Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix Counter-Strike 2's CS2 private match with friends not working. If you are experiencing the issues while trying to play Counter-Strike 2 CS2, so with your friends in a private match, don't worry, you won't allow. Here are the some steps you can take to fix the issues. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection you can cause issues while playing CS to try resetting the modem or router and see if it helps. Verify the integrity of game files. Right-click corrupted and game files can cause the issues while playing CS to verify the integrity of game files, and you make sure that all game files are in the correct state. To do this, follow the steps. Open Steam and go to your library and update Counter Strike 2 and make sure that you have the latest version of Counter Strike 2 installed. Check for updates and install them if available, and clear the Steam download cache. And clear the Steam download cache can solve many issues while playing CS2. To do this, follow the steps. Open Steam and go to library. Right click on the Counter Strike 2 to game and select properties. Go to the local files tab on and click on clear download cache and close third-party programs. Sometimes the third-party programs can interfere with the game and cache the issues. Close all the unnecessary programs running in the background and try playing CS2 again and reset network setting. Resetting your network settings can help resolve the issues while playing CS2. To do this, for the steps, press Windows key plus X and select command prompt admin and type the following commands one by one and press enter and reinstall the game. And if none of the above methods work, try reinstalling the game, and this will remove any corrupted game files and install a fresh copy of the game. And thanks for watching us.